In this quick tutorial, we'll download the Anaconda setup Python, which is the recommended, but of course you don't need to use Anaconda. So in fact, if you go to the Continuum website under downloads, or in fact if you just type in anaconda.com, go to the download button, you click download, you will get the latest version of the Anaconda distribution. We suggest using the Python 3.6 or 7 version. Once you have downloaded Anaconda, you can open the executable and follow the instructions. We can do it for all users, it doesn't really matter. The folder doesn't really matter. It's probably good to register it as a system Python. The path variables you do want to be a little careful with. Then you click install. We're going to set up the local repository for Python energy participation ratio module. For this purpose, rather than using the terminal Git, I'm going to use the application source tree, which you can download by typing in source tree. It's a GUI that is very useful and is free to use. So let's copy the address of our repository. In your case, you will have forked this repository. It will be under your name. So for instance, if I go under, say, Alex repository, you'll see that he has pyEPR here, so you would copy your address. And then it will be very important to also copy the master address, which will be the address under Zlatko Minev/pyEPR. So let's get to it. So I'm going to copy this address, and I'm going to open source tree, clone one. So here's the remote address, pyEPR. Once you have selected your local directory, we're going to go ahead and clone the repository. Okay, perfect. Now at this stage you'll be able to see all the changes we've been doing in here, and on the left you see how the branches have merged. You can see I like to update the README recently. That's going inside the working copy is where you can see your local version of the repository. One key thing you will absolutely want to make sure to do is to click on remote here and make sure that under here, if it doesn't say github.com/ZlatkoMinev, you want to add a remote path, and that remote name will be, say, master origin or it doesn't really matter. The main point is you want this in here. Okay, this will be the remote from which you want to synchronize. And down below you can also add your account name and properties. Perfect. Well, and that's it. Now you have the repository set up locally.